I enjoy watching birds. I sometimes even make videos that have no point except as excuses to showcase birds. I also have my pals who watch my videos. Yes, they're all gluttons for punishment, but more importantly, they help me with their comments. Having said that, and I address this to my pals, how would you respond to an email that states that her father would not allow her to have a bird feeder outside her kitchen window because the seeds would germinate and ruin his beautiful lawn? I did not respond because, if I were to be honest, my answer would suggest disrespect for her father, and to shade my answer with diplomacy would have been way too dishonest. If I had the courage, I would have said that she has to respect her father's wishes, but when she's older with her own family, she then can apply her own values. And if the desires of her children are important to her, and they wish to observe birds, then she won't have any difficulty in making a decision in keeping with her love for her children. Aren't birds amazing?